My name's Jasper, and this is my second channel. Feel free to check out my main channel down below, but this is a channel where I post daily videos answering people's questions on how to grow a digital marketing agency using the GoHighLevel software. I've built my own six-figure agency over the past few years, and I still manage clients to this day, so I'm in the trenches with you, and now I help others for free to grow their own agency. And for context, the Zoom call recordings you'll see in these videos, I do every day for free for my GoHighLevel affiliates and just answer their different questions. If you want to be a part of these free Zoom calls and work with me directly, you can read more about how to get access to that down below.
The lead. How can I move? What is my contact? Solistica, contactos, right here. So, for example, this person, I have an appointment with him today. How can I put him on the pipeline? I already put him as a, this is manually. So how can I add him to the pipeline?
So go to your opportunities tab really quick.
Opportunities right underneath.
And then you already have this pipeline, right? So this is your smart website pipeline. It looks like he's already under the appointment book stage. Let's check your automation, because to answer your question, you will have to set a step in your automation to make sure that he moves over. And you already have it right there. It's called move to appointment booked stage. It's the one with a little money sign next to it. Or click save action on this. Well, I think you have to select the user. So select yourself under the select user option. And then save it. All right, click on that one. Yep. And so what will happen is whenever he books an appointment, then it will, or you book an appointment with him on the calendar and GoHighLevel. Since you have this step here that's called create or update opportunity, it'll move him automatically to this appointment booked stage. And this is from my snapshot here. So like it's already set up for you. And so that's why when you just looked under pipeline, he had moved to that appointment book stage. You probably didn't move him manually, right? It just happened automatically. It's because of this automation right here. So you've already got it set up. So that's how you, anytime in the future, if you want somebody to automatically move in the pipeline to a certain stage, your automation for that particular event has to have that step that's called create or update opportunity. You have to tell it which stage to move them to. So like another example would be if this guy who you have the appointment with today ends up paying you and he pays you through a link on your website, you can have an automation that says triggered is payment collected. So that'd be your trigger event. And then you can use a step just like that one that I just showed you that will move him automatically to the paying client stage. So you can automate pretty much your entire pipeline for the most part. You have to make sure there's an automation that will automatically move them that has that step in it that's called create/update opportunity. If you want some more in-depth content on how to grow your digital marketing agency, you can join my free HighLevel Quest community down below. It has my full 7-hour course on how to get your agency fully set up and go high level from start to finish.